Hi, my name's Savina Parker. I'm 9 years old and I'm talking to you today about sustainability. I practice sustainability by using ingredients from my homegrown organic garden for homemade recipes. I bike, scooter, and walk to places instead of using a car and causing pollution with gas. I pick up litter around my community and my beaches. I try my best to take shorter showers and conserve water. I write a magazine and donate 100% to local organizations that benefit people in my community. I try to learn every day about the different needs of the people in my community, as well as all of the different cultures. I help my grandparents with their small business, which depends on both tourists and the local economy. Sustainability is important to me because I want less pollution and more smiles. I feel like nobody listens to all the books and videos about not littering and using less water. It is important to me to start making the difference so our community continues to thrive. Thank you very much.